Bonjour les enfants, j'espère que vous allez tous très bien. This is Camille Morin from French Pearl with Camille. This lesson is going to be the continuation of the first lesson of Enchanté 1. In the last lesson, we learned all the French alphabets, but now we are going to concentrate on certain alphabets that are difficult to pronounce or that are confusing. So let's start with the first one, which is a little confusing. That is the letter I. Letter I is pronounced E in French. In English, you have the letter E, and in French, the letter I is pronounced E. So that may be a little confusing. I'll give you a tip. It is igloo. The word igloo. In this word, in both languages, I is pronounced as E. So it will be easy for you to remember that in French, I is always pronounced as E. This letter is the most difficult letter to pronounce in French for an Anglophone. That is the letter U. So how do you pronounce the letter U correctly? Just say O, rounding the mouth for the sound and keeping it fixed in the same position. Try to pronounce the sound E. The mouth is rounded, barely open, the lips are advanced, the tongue is forward and touches the lower teeth. In this position, you will not get the sound E, but the sound U. Say O, U, O, U. Let's pronounce these words with you. Tu salues une jupe. The next letter is the letter Q. It's pronounced Q. It's K-U, Q, Q. There are some more letters that need clarification, but I don't want this lesson to be too long, so I'm ending it here. See you in the next lesson with more tips for the pronunciation of alphabets. Until then, bonne révision, bonne chance, au revoir, à la prochaine.